Bill of Rights. Who's attacking the Bill of Rights? The Bill of Rights. Put there to protect
This is the
from the federal government. Who is it that keeps attacking
battery level gauge portion of the program working, and it also includes controls for the load, low potential disconnect, and the dump load. Although I'm still tweaking the logic for the dump load, because the original thing which I had didn't want to work for some stupid reason. The way the logic works is that if the battery is low, in this case below about 11.9 volts, right now I'm just representing it with a trim pot, only the red LED is on, then increasing up to about 12.2 volts, turns on the yellow LED. Then when it gets up to about 12.5 volts, it turns on first green LED and the low potential disconnect if it was already off. Then it gets up to about 13.1 volts. I don't remember the exact specifics, may need to recalculate them. But then it turns on the second thing. This would be when it's charging. And then if it gets up to about 14 volts or so, it turns on a dump load, which is represented by the white LED, even though the blue and the white LEDs look kind of this. Actually, they all look kind of the same on the camera because of the effects of the light. But if I turn them off, you can see the colors of the actual LEDs. And there's a PIC16F685 that's running it all. And the current limiting resistors for the LEDs. And this is the control code that's running the PIC. There's the device statement, the configuration thing, which for some reason isn't working. It isn't passing the configuration word setting to the programmer, which is annoying. And there is the registry configurations, miscellaneous blah, aliases just to make the code easier to read. Presets, low potential disconnect, status bit. This, which just simply turns them on for 3/4 of a second when the thing is first turned on, just as a test, to make sure everything's working. This is the statement where that gets the analog battery potential. I'm using this instead of the AD-in statement because it turns out that the AD-in statement requires setting the AD-con0 register anyway, and this way uses a lot less program memory. So I'm just doing it this way. And it's just a bunch of if, else, if statements, with this bit using the LPD status bit for hysteresis. That's it. I'm going to work on this bit though, just to keep the to avoid overcharging the battery, or turning on the LPD or the dump load too early. So it still requires a bit of tweaking, but it works.